So after your last class on Friday, you need to print the weekly attendance report. So it's view all reports, and it's fortunate for us, it's the very last one, weekly attendance report by class. Make sure this is set to the first day of the week. So if you forget to run it one day, just make sure you change it to the first day of that current week that you want to run the report for. Click run the report. It takes a moment or two to process. And click view report, and you get a lovely preview of it on your screen. Print this report. Make sure you sign the bottom and date every page, not just the first page, but every page. Otherwise, you'll get it back and saying, please sign every page. If you go to print and you get the little wheelie death up here that just keeps spinning and spinning and spinning, hit change and then change it to your printer. So if you're going to print and it doesn't print and just keeps spinning and spinning, click change and select your printer and everything should work fine.